hapon sa makausapa. Una sa tanan, ako nang ipaila ka ninyo ang atong kadaguan nga niya sa atong atubangan. Aniya kayo ng atong labing unang babaeng gobernador sa lalawigan sa Subo, Gobernador Gwen Garcia. Gikan sa Office of the Presidential Assistant for the Visayas or OPAV, Undersecretary John G. Gonzales. Kung usap ka na ito karon, ang atong acting mayor sa Dakbayan sa Subo, Mayor Mike Rama. Aniya sa mga itong mga provincial board members, ikan sa 2nd District, Board Member Jose Marie Tata Salvador. From the 4th District, aniya si Board Member Kerry Shimura. Ikan sa 5th Distrito, Board Member Andre Red Duterte. Ikan sa 9th Distrito, Board Member Glenn Anthony Soco. O gikan sa Tuguran, Mayor Danilo Diamante. Gikan sa 4th Distrito, aniya gikan sa lungsod sa Santa Fe. Representing the mayor is Neil Brian Helbuena. Gikan sa Bantayan, representing Mayor Despi is Marcam Mansueto. Gikan sa Tabuela, aniya si Mayor Raul Herona.
Agi Truvela, P.D. Lucero, Chief Pathologist Dr. Jean Loreche, and R.D. Tamano. We also have with us Dr. Brian Lim. Please join us. Taga-ipalihog og lamisa. O ang atong tanan nga mga mayores nga nagagikan sa nakadilaing lungsod ug Dakbayan sa lalawigan sa Subo. Salamat kaayo sa inyong presensya karong hapuna. Akong hunaan nga angay nga meeting na sadta tungod kay dunay mga bag-ong developments niining what seems to be a never-ending saga of COVID-19. Mubalik sa akong panumduman ang uban nato nga mga panagtapok. Nagsugod ni adtong mga adlaw nga halos wala patay na hibaw-an ug labihan natong hadluka. Kay ang atong kaaway dili lang makita, wa pagyudtay nahibaw-an kabahin niya. Kung sundo nato ang mga taho, basig mukalit lang tagkirig, dayon tumba unya patay. Ug tungod ni adto ilabihan ng atong paghigpit. Ningon ta unahon natong kinabuhi. Ato usa siguroon nga mabuhi ang tao. Ipadaplin ang panginabuhi. Itang tanan, labi na mga mayores na sayod mo. Kung giunsa nato, pagkahin o pundo, konsiderable nga pundo, gikan sa ato mismo nga budget. Kaya ron makapamalit tag bugas, makapamalit tag dilata, makapamalit tag ayuda, ihatag. Kay lagi, wa man ta maghuna-huna nga mulungtad ni ug buwan, 2 ka bulan, 3, 4, 6. Ug sa dihang niabot na pipila ka bulan nakita nato ang resulta. It would never be enough ug unsay atong iayuda, do na gyud di matagaan, do na gyud muyaw-yaw. Ug labaw sa tanan bisan kadtong wa na kinahanglan ayuda, kinahanglan na sa tabangon. Kaya mga negosyo nga naghisirhan, nga doon na pa'y mga utang sa bangko, wa na ibayad. At katong mga dunay kaugalingong mga panginabuhi, panghatag, pangsupply, sa atong mga resorts, kadaghanan sa atong mga lungsod, na tourism oriented, wala na'y masuplayan, bisan tuod og dunay kuha, igo ang ipanud-an kay wa nay mo palit. Ang ato mga tourism guides nanagat na lang aron na ay makaon. Mao to hinay-hinay tagbangon. O ang atong quarantine status gikan sa ECQ Ni padulong og GCQ itun-an nato. Pila gyud kabuok ang napositibo, niini na positibo, pila man ang dunay symptoms, pila may walay symptoms, pila ang moderate, pila ang severe, pila yung nangamatay. And now we have the figures. Out of these figures and a deep analysis, a critical analysis of these figures, we are able to reach informed decisions and craft policies. Because remember, you and I are not just ordinary citizens. We do not decide only for our families or for ourselves. We decide for our constituents that placed in our hands their welfare and benefit, their trust. O mo nang isod na to, tinuod. E kasayon man, musunod ka sa uban, labi na katumuingon, stay at home, ay tapok-tapok, ay gawas. O mahimo ka lang, anha na lang po taon, tanaw ng tag-Netflix. Arabay ng mga daghang nindot na series karon, labi na Korean. Order lang tas Grab. Pwede man, swildado man ta. Dako-dako, ano po ba atong sweldo? Suri-suri lang ta sa atong garden. Huwag natin swimming pool, swimming lang ta. Okay lang. Pero kadto di ay mga isang kahig, isang tuka, itaman sa ni Antoy magtanaw. Apil naman to sa atong responsibilidad. Kadto di ay mga negosyante, nga mo po'y naghatag o trabaho, niyang ilang negosyo, gipanira na. Asa pa man trabaho, anak? Pagkasayon unta, ug wala ni sa ato mga kamot, ug dili ni nato angay pa sa anon. Apan lagi, nanagan man ta. Niadtong 2019, nagpanuko man ta, ipresentar man ta sa atong kaugalingon sa katawhan. Ningon man ta, pili ako, kaya naggaran ko kamo. Kutob sa akong mabot. Ang inyong kaayuhan, mo'y akong kabuton. Kalampusan, kauswagan, mao kana ang atong ipahigayon ning atong lungsod. Ug ako, may kay kumsaan po ning atong probinsya. Sa mga akong singgit, ibalik ta ang Sugbo pagka numero 1. Pagkadako ni anak nga hagit nako. Naibaw ko kitang tanan pagdaga na itong 2019, wag yun nagtuo. Nga mo atubang taniining makalilisan o wa pasukad masukad nga hagit kang bisang kinsa nga nag-alagad sa gobyerno. Sure, doon na tayong mga giatubang personal, inilaging mga mayor, labi na mga chief executive, humot kay tas ombudsman. Diretso gyud pangiha bisag kinsa karon pagani aning sap pagkaluoy mga kapitan mo'y nahurot o pangiha. But that is one of the hazards of our occupation. We have to accept that. But who would have imagined that a world pandemic would be declared? And a pandemic that was not going to last for 2 weeks or a month, but has now lasted over a year. Magkadilain na lang. Nagsugod sa novel coronavirus, gitagaagnan COVID-19. Ugo niya, nisunod ang mga health protocols. Ug sa lihang nagtanaw ta, kaya na ni nato, o nisud naman sa mga baryan. Nagsugod og UK baryan, unya na US baryan, Brazil variant, Indian variant, unya gihaningon nganong itawag na ninyo nasod, aw gitawag na inyong Central Visayas variant. Nakakuyog na ta dito sa mga dagkong nasod. Until finally they realized it was unfair to call it by a nation's name. Kaya total, nagsige ng transmissions. Nanay community transmission. So they are now calling it Theta variant. Isa pa itong usa. Usa ito maabot ba sa sorority ba? P.3 variant. O karon ang ikahadlukan sa tanan, o tibuok, kalibutan, Delta variant. Although nasa ko'y nadunggan nga lambda. O i-combine na nimong duha, sorority na CUP, Delta, lambda. Adayon tanini, muabot yung taani sa Tau Gamma Rho. Hangtod sa letter Z. Zeta. Now, how do we deal with it? Mao na malang na? Every time? Lockdown ta? Kaagi na ba yung tag-lockdown? Kaagi na ba yung tag-execute? Tamo, mga mayo, nalipay mo ato. Sayon to? Oh, hawad ka. Hawad ka. Like it or not, dawatan na ninyo. Kitsa guylain nga mo, makabuot, kinabuhi sa mga tao, iniingon na to, stay at home. Oh, stay at home in town. Makagawasan mo, ugtugtan ta mo. Oh, sugot in town. Wow. That power can be so intoxicating. It can get to our heads. Mura tag Hitler. Itay magbo. But at what cost? Kinsa man ang mga naangin. Dili kita. Dili ang atong mga kauban sa gobyerno, padayon ang sweldo, apan kadto in taon nang inabuhi. Katong tuas pribadong sektor nga nga sira ang mga negosyo, wala mga trabaho. Unya mas daghan mo to sila kay nato. Unya sa kadaghan nila ato maghihapon na sila responsibilidad. So what to do? In the province of Cebu, we did the first bold step last year. Sa diha gideklarar pag MGCQ, gani ni inumdum ko, pag-graduate na to GCQ dito tas Balamban, kadaghanan ninyo. Wala pa kaayo makumbinsir o angay batang bubuhi. But I presented to you the figures. Because by that time, we already gathered figures, verified, validated, every day, coming from each and every one of your constituencies, your LGUs. And from GCQ, we pushed for MGCQ. When that was granted in July, we opened up tourism, subject to very, very detailed health protocols, practically for each and every tourism activity. It's been a year, a full year. When this month ends, pakatuig na ta, MGCQ. But now we are again threatened, as the entire world is threatened, as media focuses on the Delta variant. And I see members of media here. Later on, I shall be presenting figures, but I ask you to please leave. This will be a closed door. After that, you can interview the mayors. I am not holding them to any secrets. Naibaw mo, dugay-dugay na kung patawag ninyo. Kay Sharo, sa kadaghan na nato ng pagsigig ni, and all the executive orders and memoranda that I had issued. And admittedly, the province moved in one direction. Nag-usatan, usara itong response. Manawata na gyagaw. Nagkay-usatan. We crossed political divides and decided to unite as Cebuano leaders to lead our Cebuano constituencies. And I guess that is the very reason that we have continued to be MGCQ. There are those that look up to us. How is Cebu doing it? How can Cebu do it right? And there are those that wish we wouldn't be doing so well, so that they can say, I told you so. Now, where do we go from here? Shall we continue to show the rest of the country that Cebu knows how to manage COVID-19? Surges notwithstanding, or shall we give others a reason to say, da lagi, ingon palagi ko, sugamat lagi mo? The answer to that is completely in our hands. Because if we speak with one voice, with one message, and move in one direction, we will continue to show that there is a way, and Cebu has found that way. But that is a challenge to all of us. And that is why I called all of you here. Because I need your confirmation that we are one. That we think as one, we decide as one, and we will act as one Cebu. I thank Cebu City Mayor Mike Rama for being here, because he himself has been an advocate of a one Cebu Island policy. True, we have 3 highly urbanized cities in this island. And so I have no jurisdiction over the city of Cebu, Mandaue City, and Lapu-Lapu City. However, we do not have individual passports that segregate us as Umpunganons, Cebu City residents, or Mandauehanons, ug lahi ang probinsya. People from the province and from your towns come to Cebu City. And now, because we have fresh mountain air and fresh sea air in the province, the city residents go out on weekends and fill up our resorts. So, Cebuanos ta. And we cannot be divided by artificial political jurisdictions. Artificial rana. By heart and by mind, we are Cebuanos, and our soul is Cebuano. So we must agree on one direction and speak with one voice. You are here, atong mga mayors, because I'm sure you wish to know what is the actual situation on a province-wide scale. And I'll show you. I'm ready to show that. So we have prepared this presentation for you to get a sense of scale and a sense of perspective, because we cannot limit our understanding purely on Facebook posts and reposts alone. I have always endeavored to reach an informed decision by studying the figures and getting as much information as I could. Well, this is how it is. According to the DOH Case Bulletin number 500 as of July 27, the percentage of active cases is 3.6%. Those that have recovered is 94.6%, and those that have died is 1.75%. Of the total, 1,562,420. But mind you, this is data from 2020 until 2021. Kay mora ning sakita na carried over ang totals. Kung mag-ihap tag tuberculosis, yearly. Mag-ihap tag dengue, yearly. Mag-ihap ta ug sa ubang sakit, kada tuig. But this is special. So special that there has to be a carryover from 2020 to 2021. So total, in the 1 year and a half of COVID-19 is 1.5 million. And those are the percentages of those that are active. Active cases na to ron, 56,000. Recovered, 94.6% or 1.4 million. O ang namatay, 1.75% or 27,318. These are not my figures, DOH ni, nationwide. The next slide is the percentage of active cases according to the DOH bulletins. From January 1 of 2021 to July 24 of this year. As you can see, the highest percentage of active cases was pegged in the April 4 to April 10 week, which peaked at 21.1%. Thereafter, there has been a sharp decline. And right now, in the July 18 to 24 period, we are down to 3.5% of the total number of COVID cases. 3.5%. In the total recoveries from January 1 until July 24, it has steadily been a plateau. 91.1% January 1 to January 29, and we even increased to 94.7% in the July 18 to 24 period. Deaths. And why is this important? Because all over the world, several countries are on lockdown. OCTA has proposed a 2-week lockdown because of this Delta variant, precisely because of its high transmissibility. Well, can you go back to the previous slide? You do know that previous 2 slides, the active cases, as I had shown, have declined. We'll see how it goes. The Delta variant was talked about already for the past 3 weeks or more. Correct? 3 weeks na. Pero we have maintained it. Insofar as active cases, from June to July, 3.8